Hey, here's Phil's Listen Carefully. The key to any internet marketer ultimately achieving their earnings goals comes down to this word: traffic. Traffic is the lifeblood of all internet businesses. It doesn't matter how great your product or service is, without traffic, you're never going to generate the sales and the profits that you desire. But here's the thing. Most marketers are so obsessed with generating traffic that they fail to do the little things. Or in this case, it may be better to refer to them as the big things. They need to make the most out of the traffic they have. That's why if you aren't link tracking, retargeting, and split testing, you're flying blind and severely handicapping your chances of having a thriving internet business. You need to link track so that you know which marketing messages work and which ones don't. This allows you to fine-tune your marketing so that sales and lead generation soar. You need to retarget because many prospects don't buy on the first, or the second, or the third contact. By reconnecting with these prospects who have shown a previous interest in your product or service, you increase the chances for conversion. You need to split test to optimize your marketing so that it delivers as many sales or leads as possible. You may think you have a great marketing message, but a little change or two could send results skyrocketing. Now, here's the good news. It's easier than ever to do these three important things thanks to a breakthrough new software program that is perfect for newbies as well as more experienced affiliates who want to improve their marketing results. This new software is called Kliqqo, and it is the fastest, easiest way to take your internet marketing to the next level and beyond. Kliqqo is a powerful but extremely easy to use new software program that saves you time and lots of stress and frustration by allowing you to track clicks, redirect links, split test, retarget, all from one convenient platform. The bottom line is, if you aren't using Kliqqo and its many powerful features, you are leaving money on the table. And who can afford to do that in today's competitive marketplace? Get the software that will allow you to benefit the most from your traffic, while also helping you generate more of it. Get Kliqqo today. Click order button now. Don't worry, this offer doesn't come with any upsells or hidden fees. You just pay the one-time low fee and the software is yours. You don't have to worry about any high-pressure sales tactics or surprise fees. Plus, if you order now, you will also receive 4 software bonus and 6 unbeatable programs worth thousands of dollars. So don't miss out. Grab this life-changing opportunity to use link tracking, retargeting, and split testing to get maximum value from your traffic and create more of it. Click the order button now. Get Kliqqo today.